Question 1. Who is the author of the famous book Gita Govinda? A. Kalidas. B. Jaydev. C. Mirabai. D. Kautilya. Answer. B. Jaydev. Question 2. The authoritative treatise Hindu law, Mitakshara, was written by A. Manu. B. Jimutavahan. C. Vigneshwara. D. Himadri. Answer. C. Vigneshwara. Question 3. Rajatarangini by Kalhan is a history of A. Harsha's reign. B. Delhi. C. Chandragupta's reign. D. Kashmir. Answer. D. Kashmir. Question 4. During whose reign did Malik Muhammad Jesse complete the notable work in Hindi, Padmavat? A. Babur. B. Sher Shah. C. Humayun. D. Akbar. Answer. B. Sher Shah. Question 5. The famous literary work Tahqiq-i-Hind was written by A. Al-Biruni. B. Zia-ud-Din Barni. C. Balban. D. Razia Sultan. Answer. A. Al-Biruni. Question 6. Which of the following invaders is wrongly paired with the year of his invasion? A. Timurlane, 1398 AD. B. Mahmud of Ghaznavi, 1000 AD. C. Ahmad Shah Abdali, 1716 AD. D. Nadir Shah, 1738 AD. Answer. C. Ahmad Shah Abdali, 1716 AD. Question 7. During whose reign did William Hawkins visit the Mughal court to secure a right to trade in Mughal ports? A. Aurangzeb. B. Shah Jahan. C. Akbar. D. Jahangir. Answer. D. Jahangir. Question 8. The zamindars were known by several names in different parts of India, which did not include being called A. Patil. B. Deshmukh. C. Nayak. D. Rajukar. Answer. B. Deshmukh. Question 9. The first woman ruler of India was A. Rani of Jhansi. B. Razia Sultan. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Noor Jahan. Answer. B. Razia Sultan. Question 10. Who among the following was known as a Nirguna saint and reformer? A. Sant Kabir. B. Surdas. C. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. D. Tulsidas. Answer. A. Sant Kabir. Question 11. The Indian ruler who had issued a royal edict forbidding anyone to laugh in his court was A. Balban. B. Aurangzeb. C. Iltutmish. D. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Answer. A. Balban. Question 12. The first Mughal garden in India had been laid out by A. Babur. B. Shah Jahan. C. Akbar. D. Jahangir. Answer. A. Babur. Question 13. The first time in India that land was divided into different categories for the purpose of revenue, taking into account the quality of land and its productive capacity, was during the reign of A. Alauddin Khilji. B. Sher Shah Suri. C. Firuz Shah Tughlaq. D. Akbar. Answer. B. Sher Shah Suri. Question 14. The famous poet Amir Khusrau, known as the Parrot of India, was a contemporary of all of the following with the exception of A. Iltutmish. B. Alauddin Khilji. C. Ghiyasuddin Balban. D. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Answer. A. Iltutmish. Question 15. Bibi Ka Maqbara was erected by at Aurangabad and is a replica of the Taj Mahal. A. Jahangir. B. Bahadur Shah Zafar. C. Aurangzeb. D. None of the above. Answer. C. Aurangzeb. Question 16. The Sultan who had truly mixed religion with politics by calling himself Naib-i-Khudai or the Deputy of God was A. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. B. Balban. C. Alauddin Khilji. D. Iltutmish. Answer. B. Balban. Question 17. Which Sultan had been named Lakh Baksh, or the giver of lakhs, for his unbounded generosity? A. Balban. B. Kutubuddin Aibak. C. Iltutmish. D. Nasiruddin Mahmud. Answer B. Kutubuddin Aibak. Question 18. Identify, among the following, the saint who had preached non-sectarianism in medieval times. A. Tukaram. B. Ramananda. C. Dadu. D. Raghunandan. Answer C. Dadu. Question 19. Who among the following had shifted the capital of the Mughal Empire from Agra to Delhi? A. Shah Jahan. B. Aurangzeb. C. Jahangir. D. Humayun. Answer A. Shah Jahan. Question 20. In the Mughal administration, military recruitment had been looked after by The. A. Kotwal. B. Bakshi. C. Wazir. D. Diwan. Answer B. Bakshi.